Prague, the capital of the Czech Republic, is one of the top destinations in Europe. Set along the Vltava River, this city is known for its amazing Gothic and Baroque buildings. Known as the City of 100 Spires, Prague is also famous for its wonderful medieval streets, lively nightlife, and its quirky museums. The Old Town Square has remained virtually untouched since the 10th century and is the heart of its historic core. Its colorful Baroque buildings are home to lots of wonderful sights, such as the famous astronomical clock, which dates back to 1410 and not only tells the time but also the movement of the sun, the moon, and the planets. The King's Quay Palace and the Gothic Church of Our Lady before Tin. Check out the 14th century Charles Bridge, which is lined with the statues of Catholic saints, and the 15th century Powder Tower, one of the city's original gates. The imposing 9th century Prague Castle rises above the city on a steep hill and is now the seat of the Czech president. It also has the Gothic St. Vitus Cathedral with its historic domes and magnificent stained glass windows, and the picturesque buildings of Golden Lane. Set between the Old Town and the Vltava River is Prague's Jewish Quarter, also known as Josefov. It dates back to the 13th century and houses the Old New Synagogue, Europe's oldest active Jewish house of worship, and the Old Jewish Cemetery. Wenceslas Square is one of the most popular shopping streets in the new town and is also home to the National Museum, the largest museum in the Czech Republic, and houses almost 14 million items connected to the country's history. You can also visit the ornate Baroque Clementinum Library with its collection of over 20,000 books. Located on the left bank of the Vltava River, Petrin Hill has some of the best views of the city, as well as lush landscaped gardens. Lechna Park is also an excellent place to take a break from the crowded city and has a large beer garden. You can also get breathtaking views from the top of the Žižkov TV tower.